Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Jaguar F-Type. First, locate your vehicle's battery, which is often in the trunk or sometimes under the hood. Next, clearly identify both the positive and negative terminals. The positive terminal is usually marked with a plus sign and covered by a red cap. Finally, ensure you have a set of reliable jumper cables and a working donor vehicle ready to assist. Now, let's connect the cables safely. Take one end of the red positive cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead Jaguar F-Type battery. Then, connect the other end of that same red positive cable to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. This ensures a proper positive-to-positive connection for the jump start. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. And on another note, staying hydrated is key, especially when you're tackling car projects. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold. Check the description below for a link to the Owala bottle and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. For the final connections, take one end of the black negative cable and attach it to the negative terminal of the donor battery. Crucially, connect the other end of the black negative cable to an unpainted metal ground point on your dead Jaguar F-Type, away from the battery. Now, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes before attempting to start your F-Type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.